In this video, we have 4 logarithmic equations we want to solve without a calculator. So the key to solving a logarithmic equation is to rewrite it in exponential form. So when we rewrite the equation in exponential form, we're always going to start with the base. In this case, my base is 2. We have log base 2 of x is equal to 5. So when we rewrite that in exponential form, we're going to have 2 raised to the 5th power is equal to x. And 2 to the 5th power is 32. So x is equal to 32. And you could leave it like this. Some instructors might want you to actually write it as a solution set using curly brackets. For me, either one is fine. Next equation is log base x of 16/25 is equal to 2. So here my base is x, so this will be x raised to the 2nd power is equal to 16/25. So now here, to solve, we're going to go ahead and square root both sides. So we'll square root both sides, and that's going to give us x is equal to plus or minus 4/5. However, we have to remember that the base, since x is the base in this case, the base of a logarithm can't be negative. So we are going to disregard the negative value and just keep the positive. So x will be equal to 4/5. The next equation is log base x of 1/4 equals 1/2. So again, my base is x. So rewriting this equation in exponential form will give me x to the 1/2 power is equal to 1/4. Now you have 2 different ways of solving from this point on. One way would be to acknowledge that x to the 1/2 is really the same as the square root of x. So we're solving the square root of x is equal to 1/4. And to undo this square root, we would square both sides. So therefore, x is equal to 1/16. So that's one option to get our value here. Let me show you another option. X to the 1/2 is equal to 1/4 if we were at this step here. We could also raise both sides of this equation to the reciprocal power. And I'm looking at the reciprocal here of 1/2. So that means I would raise both sides to the 2nd power. Really, the reciprocal of 1/2 we know would be 2/1. So I'm raising it to the 2nd power, both sides. And the reason why that's going to work, remember, when you raise a power to a power, we multiply those. So when we multiply 1/2 times 2, we get 1. Therefore, this is going to leave me with x to the 1st power. So that's why this works. And this would be x is equal to 1/4 squared, which is 1/4 times 1/4, and we also get that answer of 1/16. All right, our last equation is 3 equals log base x of 27/64. 27/64. So starting with that base of x, rewrite this in exponential form will give us x to the 3rd power is equal to 27/64. This time we are going to cube root both sides. And the cube root of 27 is 3. The cube root of 64 is 4. So our solution set is 3/4. So the key to solving logarithmic equations is remembering that you need to rewrite the equation in exponential form.